Changing your TikTok profile picture is a simple process, and you can do it directly from the TikTok app on your mobile device. Here's how to change your TikTok profile picture. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. On your profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button just below your profile picture. Tap on this button. Next, tap on your current profile picture. This will open up options for changing your profile picture. A menu will appear with options like Take Photo and Upload Photo. If you prefer to take a new photo, TikTok will open your device's camera. Take a picture and then tap on Use Photo to confirm. Once you're satisfied with the selected photo and any adjustments, tap on the Save and Post button. This will set the new photo as your TikTok profile picture. That's it. You successfully changed your TikTok profile picture. Your new profile picture will now be visible to your followers and other TikTok users who visit your profile. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to ask.